everyone, and welcome to my channel Foods89. So today's video, I'm gonna show you what I've got because I've been to market and to get some food for my boss. Because yesterday they asked me that they're gonna change their meals to keto diet, and I don't have any idea what is that because I didn't even try. So I say that this meal or this keto diet is quite challenging to me because before, like what I said, that I didn't try this kind of diet. So I've been to market and I just pick whatever I know that is good for them. So I'm gonna show you what I've got. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so ito po yung aking pinamili kanina. Ayan, look at that. I don't have any plan or hindi pa ako nagplan kung ano yung aking lulutuin. So I just pick randomly kanina kasi hindi ko nga, gaya ng sabi ko, wala pa akong idea kung ano ba yung keto. Basta ang sabi nila is 0 sugar and 0 carbs. So as in talagang 0. So dalawang klase ng tofu, 2 different kind of tofu. This one is harder and this one is soft. Can you see the difference? Yes. So ito siya, pwede siyang gamiting soup and for fry as well. I think pwede siya. And dragon fruit, cherry, tomatoes, spinach, chrysanthemum leaf, cauliflower, extra virgin olive oil. I have here also berry, blueberry, mixed nut, red rice, and bread. Pero ito at saka ito is para yan sa akin kasi nga 0 carbs sila. So, as if nawala silang kakainin na 0 carbs. Ayan. So, I think this is easier for me kaysa sa yung before. Kasi yung noon is kailangan mo siyang talagang complete meal. Ito lang siya is simple. Ayan lang siya, oh.